Welcome friends, my name is Komal Shamtambe. I am from MSc Zoology, same second. Today's my seminar topic is cultivation and growth of microorganisms, which is related to environmental biology. Many microorganisms can be grown in minimal medium. The sole nitrogen source in a minimal medium can be ammonium NH4+, from which the cell can synthesize all the necessary amino acids and other nitrogen containing metabolites. Salt and trace elements are the only other components of a minimal medium. Coming to what is cultivation of microorganisms. Cultivation is the process of propagating organisms by providing the proper environmental conditions. Parasites, bacteria and viruses all generally require cultivation for detailed study. Bacteria divide by binary fission, sexual reproduction, where a single cell divides, giving rise to two cells. There are 6 conditions that affect the growth of microorganisms. Fat Tom is an minimal device used in the food service industry to describe the 6 favorable conditions required for the growth of foodborne pathogens. It is an acronym for food, acidity, time, temperature, oxygen and moisture. Conditions for the bacteria to grow and multiply are food as a nutrient, water as a moisture, proper temperature, time, air or no air, minimal air, proper acidity as a pH and salt levels. Requirements for the growth of microorganisms. One of the most critical factors for microbial growth is the availability of nutrients and energy. Microbes needs carbohydrates, fats, proteins, metals and vitamins to survive. Just like animals, the process of using nutrients and converting them into cellular material requires energy. Growth media. A growth medium or culture medium is a solid, liquid or semi-solid designed to support the growth of a population of microorganisms or cells via the process of cell proliferation or small plants like the Moore psychometria pattern. Examples are nutrient agar and plate count agar. There are some main types of growth media. First, cultural media, minimal media, selective media, differential media, transport media and indicator media. First one, cultural media. Culture media, also known as growth media, are specific mixture of nutrients and other substances that support the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Example, enriched media are blood agar and Lowenstein-Jensen media. Coming to the second type, minimal media. Minimal media is a mixture of M9 salts glucose as the sole of carbon source and ammonium chloride or ammonium sulfate as the sole of nitrogen source that is formulated in either H2O or D2O, often depending on the E. Given diagram shows the minimal media. Third one is selective media. Selective media are used for the growth of only selected microorganisms. For example, if a microorganism is resistant to a certain antibiotic such as ampicillin or tetracycline, then that antibiotic can be added to a medium to prevent other cells which do not possess. Fourth one is differential media. Differential media contains compounds that allow groups of microorganisms to be visually distinguished by the appearance of the colony or the surround media. Example of differential media includes blood agar used in strip test, which contains bovine heart blood that becomes transparent in the presence of hemolytic. The figure shows rectal specimen, which is chocolate medium in overgrowth and Thayer Martin medium in Neisseria only. Fifth one, transport media. Transport media formulated to preserve a specimen and minimize bacterial overgrowth from the time of collection to the time it is received at the laboratory to be processed. Example of transport media is thiacholate. Here is the viral transport media. Sixth, Indicator media. An indicator is included in the medium. A particular organism causes change in the indicator. Example, blood nutrient red, telluride. Examples, blood agar and MSc Conky agar are indicator media. Figure shows negative Vogus proscure and positive Vogus proscure. Thank you. This is all about cultivation and growth of microorganisms.